Hello again, video time again, and today I'd like to show you this lovely little Fiat 500 Lounge, finished in the white, 1.2 petrol, so probably the best engine. It's got the alloy wheels. Got the glass sunroof. Lovely clean interior with a 500 logo seats with the white piping, charcoal grey with the white piping. That looks very classy looking for one of these. Plenty of room in the back. All nice tidy bodywork. Boot area, and under there space saver. Oops. Space saver, spare wheel, jack, toolkit, all there. No leaks, all nice and dry. Good fun little car to drive with excellent economy, low road tax, low insurance. So it's make a great first car or a little runabout. Easy to drive and park. Let's just take a look inside. So we've got electric door mirrors. From there you've got these nice chrome interior handles and the chrome surrounds around the air vents. Height adjustable driver's seat, that's from there. Got Bluetooth controls on the steering wheel and the radio volume controls there. So we'll start up. 50,950 miles, full service history with that. Has been looked after. Got electric window controls here. All important air conditioning, that's all blowing nice and cold. Got the city button for the steering if you want the steering to be really light for parking. That's from that button there. Hazard warning, rear fog, heated rear window. Also got the all-important locking wheel nut tool, 12-volt socket and USB socket and auxiliary input socket there. So all your connectivity that you need. The book pack with it with the service history. And you've got the blind on the inside that you can open. It's going to let some light in or not. So yeah, very nice inside, lovely and clean, been looked after, been serviced. So if you're looking for a nice example of one of these that hasn't been abused, there you go. If you're interested, give me a shout on the usual number or drop me an email. And thanks again for watching.